Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk beauty, health, lifestyle, hygiene, just a little bit of everything. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. So today I want to show you the easiest and best way to lighten your knuckles. I've always had like a very dark knuckles, and I do exfoliate my skin, like the whole of my body, but because I do not do it every day, so my knuckles couldn't keep up. I had to look for a way to lighten it so that it can be same shade with the color of my skin like the rest of my body. So if you're interested to know how I did that, please keep watching. You're welcome back. You guys, I'm going to show you the best and easiest way. Like there's so many ways to lighten knuckles, but this one I feel like it's easiest because it's just a Vaseline and baking soda. Now some people do dissolve baking soda in water and then apply on their knuckles, but I feel like Vaseline is the best because you can just apply it as hand cream. You understand? And for some reason we always wash our hands, so you don't even need to wash it off. Like somebody like me, I wash my hands up to 100 times a day. Like I'm telling you, I wash my hand all the time because I'm always doing something with water, and we always use hot water. Most times we use it to wash dishes, to do whatever, so it affects our skin generally, but mostly our knuckles. Okay, so what I do is I mix just this in Vaseline and I apply it all the time. I'll show you how I do that. You guys, this is what we need: baking soda and the Vaseline. So this is what I do. You can see it's almost finished. I just make sure to mix them thoroughly. Yeah, so you guys, this is what we'll get. You can see once I'm done, I'll just put it in a small container and then apply it anytime that I want, just like that. You don't need much. Make sure to keep your finger this way, okay, so that you can get to even the inner part like that. You can see, I'm telling you that mine was very dark, very dark. I just started it like 1 week ago, and you can see, sure, just do it. And you guys, I've seen YouTubers say they apply this on their face. Please don't. I don't know why I'm scared of baking soda. You already know it's mostly used for deep cleaning, so it can be harsh on the skin, and our face is just so sensitive, so you don't want anything that will cause a breakout or damage your face. So please don't apply this on your face, just on your knuckles or maybe your knee and all those areas that are hyperpigmented. It's fine, but just don't use this on your face. Okay, so just mix the two and apply it anytime that you want. Wash off whenever you want, okay, but at least leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes. That's it, you guys. Go ahead and try it. Let me know in the comment section. Also check my video where I showed how to exfoliate your skin. I promise you, you will love it. It will leave your skin silky, smooth, soft, brightened. Oh my god, like I can't even tell you enough. Just watch it and also check my other videos too. I will leave the links on my description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video too. Thank you all so much. I love you for watching. Please stay safe, take care of yourself, show kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.